So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. It is another beautiful day today here in Pennsylvania. And I'll tell you what, so far, summer has been pretty darn nice around here. Now, we've had a few hot and humid days, but generally speaking, it's been a little cooler, a little less humidity, and less rainfall than normal. So it's been pretty nice, and I can't complain about that. What I can complain about, though, is the price of fireworks. Holy smokes, have they gone up. Inflation has definitely hit the firework market. We are in party prep mode right now. The big event is this Saturday, so don't forget, we are going to be live streaming our fireworks show, probably starting around 9:15, 9:30 Eastern time this Saturday, July 2nd. So set a reminder for that. But yeah, the price of fireworks have gone through the roof. Had I known then what I know now, I'm not even sure if I would have went ahead with it. It's that much more money. Now, I normally buy from Phantom Fireworks over in Ohio. I've gotten some fireworks from Pyro Dudes as well. Chuck, the owner, is a subscriber to our channel, and he's actually bringing me some more over tonight that I'm going to buy off of him. And his prices are much better than Phantom. I was always pretty loyal to Phantom over the years, but each year the prices go up and up, and this year it was a huge jump. But anyway, it is what it is. The show must go on, at least for this year. Right now, I'm working down at the wood yard. Levi and I are going to split some firewood, get it in the wood shed, and get things cleaned up around here. I kind of start the cleanup for the party the farthest part from the house and work my way towards the house. But here in a few hours, we'll have this all ready down here for the fireworks, and then I'll show you what I have so far for the show. right, so Levi and I got about a half a cord split there. He got it all stacked in the woodshed. We still have a little bit more room on this side, but I moved the log splitter up to the building, cleaned up this area around here. If you saw that video the other day, I had a couple loads of stone. I got the road fixed up over there. Things cleaned up around the sawmill here. This area right here behind the skid loader will probably be, where most of the fireworks are set up. I may actually even go with a mobile firewood launcher this year, set something up on my landscape trailer, but we'll see how it goes. I'm going to be working on that stuff tonight. I am going to need one more load of stone down here. I was hoping to get away with 2, but I'll need 3. I'm not even sure if I'm going to do that before the party. It's not like we're going to be setting up tables and chairs down here. So that's the plan right now. I'm going to head up to the house. Right up there, some little chairs up there. I don't know if you can see. That's where grandson Ty always sits when I'm working down here. But I'm going to fix up the start of that trail that goes back into the woods there. And then I'll show you what fireworks I have. All right, so this day, it got away from me. But I've been running around all day. But I wanted to show you what we got for a fireworks stash here. I have a few more coming. But I like the 200 gram and 500 gram cakes. Also have a bunch of mortars. But yeah, this should put on a pretty nice show. Like I said before, some of these came from Phantom Fireworks and the others from Pyro Dudes. So Chuck was just here. He left a little bit ago, but he dropped off quite a few of those fireworks. And I think tomorrow night or the next night, he's going to bring a few more. And we should have a pretty good show.
That's like me having a connection with someone from a candy store.
Yeah. But the thing is, the weather's been absolutely beautiful, and it doesn't look great for Saturday night.
No. But it's going to be a great show.
It's going to be a great show. 60% chance of rain, and I think that's during the day, I hope. But if it pours down rain, it pours down rain, and nothing you can do about it. We just send out about 1,000 text messages and say, come back tomorrow night. We'll do that, but we'll see how it goes. We've only been rained out once in, 23 years?
That's right.
Should we tell them?
No, more than that.
This is kind of a short video, so I'll tell you how this all started. Many of you already know this, but our oldest son, Hunter, who is sitting in the truck right now waiting for me, he has autism, nonverbal, and this started off as a birthday party for Hunter when he was, 2?
I think we did it his first year.
Maybe his first birthday, because his birthday is June 30th. And we had a few friends over. Then the next year, a few more friends, a few fireworks, because it's right around the 4th of July. And it evolved from there. And over the years, the most I think we ever had was about 400 people here. This year, it'll be a little bit scaled down, not quite as many. I don't know. There's going to be a crowd here. But that's kind of how it all started. And just from one year to the next. Then last year was Hannah's and Tyler's wedding. We had that, so we didn't have the normal party. But every year we have something, so we'll see what happens.
But we've had family, people that are close to us asking us the past couple of days, you seem pretty calm. What's going on? Why are you not all,
I'm super calm
and busy, and it gets to be a hectic week. There's a lot to do. But yeah, I'm like, I think maybe it was after the wedding last year.
Yeah, that wedding. Glad that's over. It was a nice wedding.
I don't mean glad it's over. It's just that accomplishment of married off the daughter. We have one more.
And there's a whole lot more to that than just like food and fireworks and stuff.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
And that's why you hire a wedding planner.
Yeah, it was glad this is just a party. But anyway, I think that's about it. Don't forget, July 2nd, Saturday night around 9:30 Eastern, we will live stream our fireworks show.
We're going to do a live stream
You're going to see this video Thursday morning, and tonight we're going to do a practice run live streaming for the fireworks.
Thursday night.
Yeah, Thursday night. Yep.
Be there.
All right. Thanks. Catch you on the next one.